Today is November 4th and this is the beginning of the first scarf. The pattern that I'm following is my own pattern and I do have it available on my YouTube channel. What I'm doing differently here is I have 3 pattern repeats, not 4 as I had in the original video tutorial. But otherwise I'm following this pattern exactly. Oh, and one thing is that as I started this scarf, I was watching my own video tutorial and I realized I have a mistake there. In the first row, I say that the amount of double crochets should be 44, but in reality it's 43. And in this scarf that I'm making, I started with 35 chains, so I had 33 double crochets in the first row. And the width of the scarf that I'm making is about 9 inches, just the way the lady who commissioned me these scarves wanted it. I debated whether I should make these videos because the majority of the viewers on my channel come to my channel and watch my channel because of the video tutorials. And only about 1 or 2% of my channel audience actually watch this kind of videos, these crochet stories. And with these videos, there is always a number of people who unsubscribe, and it used to be quite upsetting to me, but now I think of it differently. This channel is my work. This is a way for me to earn income, but it's also my creative space. This is the space where I can express myself not only as a crocheter, but also as a human being. And sometimes I do get a very strong desire to share with those 1 or 2% of my viewers my little crochet joys or whatever projects I'm making behind the scenes of the tutorials. You know, the projects that I make for myself or for my family, or the commissions that I take. And I also think these videos is a good way for me to create memories for myself. And of course there is that option of making these videos private or unlisted, so that they won't be visible to the general public and only myself or my family members and close friends can see them. So for these reasons I sort of gave myself a permission to create these videos, and for the next week or 2 that's what I'm going to post on my channel. And honestly, I do need a break from making tutorials because at this point I feel like my audience is sort of tired of Lacy scarves, yet other crochet projects that I try, other crochet tutorials that I make don't really resonate with my audience either. So at this point I feel like I used up all of my creativity and imagination and ideas of what kind of tutorials to make for my viewers. As some of you might have noticed, I recently passed 100,000 subscribers, which is an important milestone that many YouTubers look forward to. But unfortunately for me, this happened at the time when I'm least excited about my channel. I'm still very excited about crocheting. I crochet every day. I can't imagine my life not crocheting, but at this point I simply don't know what I want to do next and what direction I want to take my channel to. And here I have half of the scarf ready. I crocheted 1 skein. This is the second skein that I rolled into a bow. And yeah, I'm doing pretty well. I will be able to finish the scarf today. The sun is going to go down soon, so I'm gonna go for a walk. And then after dinner, I will continue working on the scarf and I will finish it. I was not able to finish the entire scarf today. I still have about a quarter of it to finish. I'm gonna do that tomorrow morning.